It's important to understand the terminology behind the different types of power feeds in an automotive wiring harness. This is necessary information when you're adding a new aftermarket accessory or installing a new harness. We'll use a typical GM fuse panel for purposes of illustration. The names some manufacturers use for each type of power may change, but the basic concepts mentioned in this video will remain the same. Battery, or constant power, is what's required for something like a clock. This is a constant 12-volt feed, meaning it has power even when the key is out of the ignition. You'll also find most standalone EFI systems will require a constant 12-volt battery feed to retain fuel map information and other presets. This will commonly be a red or orange wire in systems with GM color coding. Keyed or ignition hot circuits are live when the ignition switch is in the start or run position. These do not receive power when the ignition switch is in the off position, so they are best suited to things like electric chokes or relay triggers for things like fuel pumps or EFI computers. As the name would imply, they are also responsible for supplying voltage to the ignition coil. Ignition hot wires are typically pink, orange, or brown in systems with GM color coding. Accessory power is the third style required in an automotive electrical system. This is a feed that's hot when the key is in the accessory or run position. The most frequent use would be for a radio. But accessory feeds can also be used for things like power windows or power seats. All of our classic update kits include a 12-volt power accessory plug with a selection of battery, ignition, and accessory feed circuits to make it easy to add additional components to your project. All of these circuits are fused, so they are the perfect location to source 12 volts of any style.